Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at this explosive move of Tesla stock. Guys, this thing is going to the moon. Wow. Awesome price action that we are witnessing here, and I'll take you through the morning price action as well as the levels that we were watching for going in today and how things are evolving, from here on. Because technically Tesla, even though has been going through some pullbacks and red candles sell off, but overall structure it has been able to keep somehow bullish. But it's Tesla; it's very volatile. These moves are expected out of Tesla now. So with that, let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So the very first thing is that on daily interval, at least where we are right now, we do have a structural candle on the daily interval turned green today. And let's see if it closes green as well. That's very important to see. But the price action is looking very strong with that in regards, because we are also above 20 days moving average now. Well, constantly finding support there. And the blue box that I provided you down underneath over here is what I said, that for today, 208 and 52 cents would be the pretty much the last line of defense in this, if we have to continue to hold this little bit of the strength in the pivots to the upside, and intraday also being long, right? So let's go to the hourly interval. And what do we see today? Actually, let's go to the 5 minutes interval because I want to show you something more as well. Well, let's go to the 5 minutes first. And guys, you are seeing a lot of tools on my indicator, well, on my screen, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. One of these is my easy day and swing trading that marks the structure in the accordance to the colors. And you can see once we got out of the cloud for the day trading, above the cloud I mean, and we were having, the structure was already changed to the green down here, right? And then this was just waiting for extra confirmation on day trading, and you can see the massive moves before even the market open. You already know, you can see right in front of you how you have to prepare, and you can have a stop loss below the cloud or below the previous green stuff, right, according to your risk management. And look at this massive move, guys. We haven't had in the structure a single red candle on the 5 minutes interval right now for the day trading, right? If I turn off my tool for a second, you can see we have had pullbacks or whatnot, but it just makes so simpler to understand the price action and trade accordingly. But that was the move, right? And you can see that particular level, $208 area zone, kept holding today, right? I know there was, again, these are not like plank boards that is just gonna hit that level and just gonna bounce up. There's a price action reading you have to do at those levels. And what I was seeing in the pre-market is constant hold, and then we formed some pivots, higher pivots. Structure also turned green, got out of above the cloud just 5 minutes before the market opened. And this was an awesome trade that I also took in the morning. I'm just so happy. And yeah, this thing just went straight to the moon. So again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. All right, so that's that. $208 level is still holding. Let's go to the hourly interval. And also on hourly interval, we are again back above the cloud. We are also above 200 hours moving average. We are also out and above of $214. That was one particular area of the zone that at least first level, right? What happens is when you get out of one significant level, you can see pullback is getting bought back up, right? Because it was a strong breakout above that level. So this is where we are continuing higher, right? And now this is the zone. Yesterday we had a sell-off here. This was the supply zone, right? It's important that if we can close out and above it today, that's awesome. Or even if we can just close above 214 and 67 cents, that's still great, above 200 hours moving average. But if we can close above 218, that will be the best case scenario for Tesla for the day and then for the rest of this week. So let's see, next level is opening up to 226 to 228. I'm not sure if it's going to happen today itself, because today's range is already at 9.83, and average range Tesla that it has been doing is $9.35. You can see my part of my tool and other stuff, features of my tools, right? And so yeah, right now things are looking really great, guys, on Tesla. I mean, and now it's all about, let me actually just turn this off and one of the tools, and then yeah, things are looking great. And on the weekly interval as well, we have been able to, let's go to the weekly interval. and we have been able to also continue to hold above that 20 and 50 weeks moving average with that blue box that you already know that I talked about. And yeah, this is still on the weekly interval. Tesla is still showing us good pivots, higher lows, right? These are good pivots, good signs, and without breaking $203 area. That's the zone of inverted head and shoulder breakout, right? So we holding this above is awesome. That just keeps Tesla full on bullish as well on the weekly time frame. And so yeah, let's see how this week closes. But this week is looking good, at least where the price action is right now. So yes, the next levels to watch are definitely to the upside. 226 is the door we have opened up to. As long as we now even close above 214 today, there is no problem. That will be a good sign. I definitely want to see it close above this $218, because that would mean we are out and above of the supply zone, even though we are already above the supply zone, right? Look at those beautiful moves still doing, right? But I just want to see it close above that. That's just going to be awesome. Yeah. All right, things are looking good. Don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel, because I hold Tesla over there. I'll be doing another video on that, and I'm very happy how my ETF position is looking on that. All right, let's take a look at now Rivian real quick. So Rivian trying to come back up, but structure on this broke yesterday, so we'll have to obey the principles of trading. Today is just a rebound, but if it can, again, I want to see it strong close above $13.67 first, but then structure will take some time right now to become bullish, because it's just a rebound happening today. Yeah, yesterday it lost that area, right? $13.67 area, so that was a problem. So a little bit of a rebound coming, but I'm a little bit gonna stay on the sideline on this for now. I'll let it do more things. Lucid. So Lucid doing some rebound today, guys. The thing is that at this time, if any big move has to come, it has to, well, it's good it's holding 200 hours moving average. It might take a while before it gives us another big moves. It could be argued that, hey, it's a bull flag. Hey, but bull flag is only as good as long as the price action. Price action is the more granular form of bull flag. That's what I'm trying to say. Bull flag doesn't really matter as a bull flag. It's all about reading the price action, and so far it's holding above 200 hours moving average. But sure, intraday, yes, it's bullish today because it's holding these double bottoms at 200 hours moving average. But again, $4.10 above that only, I would say the big move possibility is only above that. It's looking good right now, but it's not Tesla. Okay, it's like, sure, it's trying to go sideways, but yeah, as long as it doesn't break now $3.82, upside can a little bit continue, but have a stop loss on the other side. And overall, as long as 20 and 50 days above, if you just want to work through that, let the pullbacks happens at 200 hours moving average, things like that, you can just buy through that, right? Again, but those explosive moves that we were happening on Lucid before, that will take a while if that has to happen again. Otherwise, no. All right, so Ford is just saving itself somehow here, but that's good. Still holding that level, $10.98. Below that is definitely some cool off is more expected, but it held somehow, and so the structure on Ford still remains bullish. All right. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Most importantly, I wanted to talk Tesla in this morning update, and this thing is looking great. All right, we'll see how the market closes. I gave you the levels to watch, right? And soon enough, another morning video will be coming out on semiconductors as well. With that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. All right, take care. Bye.